Hi guys, how to apply hover effect on image? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. As you can see, we have a single div here. At first we need to give our div a ID. So ID equal to double quotation. Suppose image hover. Then go to the style section. Call for the ID. Hashtag image hover. Opening brace, closing brace, give it some space. Add the image. Background dash image clone URL. Opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, semicolon, inside single quotation double time. Then suppose our image is inside the images folder. So the folder name images, then the image name pic03.jpg. Then the image width and height, width suppose 300 pixel, height 100 pixel, border radius 15 pixel. Let's see what we have so far. So we have our image, but the image is too big. Now to control the image size, background dash size clone cover. This will maintain the aspect ratio of our image and scale it down properly. Save, reload, see. Then background dash repeat, no repeat. Sometime when our image is too small, the image can repeat. If we use this, the image will not repeat. Lastly, background dash position center. This will center our image. Save, reload. As you can see that the center is not working properly for us. If that happens, our second solution, we can move the image horizontally and vertically. The first parameter is horizontal displacement and the second parameter is vertical displacement. Save, reload. Let me show you again. Suppose 10. See, the image moved 10 pixel to the right. So we are done with our image. Now to add hover effect, copy, paste, go to the ID name, add clone, hover, space. Now add the second image. Suppose picture 2. Save, reload. See, our hover effect working perfectly. Let's change the position to center. Save, reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.